That concludes Born Free for this year, people. Stab crazy in the back of my bike.
Woo!
Vrod back behind me. Yep. Another great year.
A little horn action for these cooler people.
Oh shit. I'll be back next year.
Horniness.
Popo blocking the way again up here.
Yeah.
Well, I got cut off by a couple of hipsters.
Slow down, John. Single file out here.
Looks like it is here. That guy was a sport.
He was big smile for us. Yeah, big old shit eater grin. Vrod, you there?
Yep.
Yeah, he's right here.
That was a good ass time.
Yeah, that was good times for sure.
Man, times like this, I wish they don't end. Yeah, no shit.
Aw, say it again, Russ. Times like this, I wish they don't end. Oh yeah?
It's times
Mr.
like
Badass over there.
I don't know words to this song.
I don't know that it is a song. You were making it up.
Not that spider song. It's times. Sounds good enough to me.
Whoa.
Hey, girl.
Hey, lady.
Hey, lady. Hey, girl.
That's a mom, John.
That's fine.
She's still a girl, though. I'll give you that.
Rolling up.
Girl parts included. That's like
on our way out to hopefully go find all of our other fucking hooligans, all the other garbage pail kids.
Yeah.
Where they may be, we have no idea.
The SoCal Shenanigans Club. It's always badass when you got lots of bikes. Who brakes?
Yeah, more bikes than
cars. V-Rod's right
more
here.
More bikes than brakes at the moment.
Yeah. And that dude on the freaking Lazy Boy, he's not having it.
He's like, I'm out of here.
He's like, fuck you all.
Well, if I wasn't riding with anybody, I'd be out too. I wouldn't. That's what I do every year when I'm fucking drunk, leaving this shit. I'm like, fuck y'all, I'm gone.
Yeah, like these guys.
Yeah, we ain't sitting in this shit. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh,
Yeah.
Come on, guys. No?
Go for it, Russ. Come on, Russ.
Are we going?
Yeah.
Going.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Just give it a rev bomb and match. And, yeah, Mr. Chuck Taylors can't do it. Yeah, we can sneak in here. Yeah, there you go.
Got this. People are moving over.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, mister. The cop down at the end by the stop sign, though, he'll probably give us a dirty ass look.
Yeah, be like, motherfucker.
He's like, you shit fucks. Yeah, but we're coming in as 2 lanes of traffic. They're like, what the fuck is going on? Oh my god, more of them? Come on, guys. Join the cool kids club.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and this one little car is trying to almost make room for all the bikes to fit back in. What a nice little Yaris. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Right behind you, Russ.
Gotcha. Fucking backseat rider over there. Yeah, right.
Hey, you know, we're right on ya.
Whose bike is still working here?
Hey, just because I'm not lead doesn't mean I'm not safety oriented. Ah, that thing's cool.
Hi, Russ.
Yeah, no thanks, guys.
Yeah, I bet it's probably scary as shit to be a passenger.
Oh man. Having never done it before.
Start going like this.
Let's not.
So something like that? You mean like this?
John, I'm gonna puke. Please stop. Please stop. It's not gonna end well for either one of us, and I don't want to see that. Oh God. That didn't look good.
Probably waiting for other people.
I don't know. That girl had a scared look in her eye sitting on the curb. Like she carried too much speed up that curve and
that's very possible.
Was looking at the guardrail, brushing her kneecap.
Ah.
You're good.
Right left, Vrod.
Hey, I'm not the only one. Russ is right here. We're so good. All right, cool guy in your sleeveless shirt.
Right?
Not saying anything about you.
I have sleeves of this little.
Yeah, you just got a shorties.
Yeah.
I left my gloves on my bike. I'm feeling so like the wind in my fingernails.
Feel all that of place now.
All that now. Come on, unless you're break dancing, we don't need that much brake light action. Come on.
Oh shit.
Jeez. Unless you're pulling some spin move or something, cut that shit out. Oh my god.
Good night. We going?
Yeah, we're going.
I got no back brake. We going?
Yep. We'll tap the brakes and roll right through it.
If no back brakes, I'm not gonna stop real quick.
No.
Stop like a semi.
It'll take you a minute or two. The one thing I don't get is like the riding and gardening gloves.
Which one? I'm done.
Oh, whoa, bro. His homie had to come back. Homie, come back!
Homie, come back! Getting beat the fuck up by my popped air freshener on my vest. I forgot it was there. I don't know where I'm going, by the way. Straight on to party, motherfucker.
Hey, I'll take care of you, John.
I thought you were just feeling me up.
There you go. Do you want me to close the pocket again? Is that a requirement?
No, we're good. But you on the right side there, Russ? I'm going on the right.
He's crazy. Oh my god.
Am I crazy?
A little bit. You got that Sab crazy style. Look. A two-upper. Don't be a jackass.
It's just because I'm so fast that nobody's going to be able to, like...
Oh, record time to that red light. Yeah, if it's on a divided, if it's not making a turn our way, you don't have to slow down.